Kenya Medical Association Sacco is a savings and credit society registered by a handful of medics in the year 1998 to serve as a vehicle for mobilization of savings and provision of credit facilities, principally for medical doctors in Kenya.
The main issue about the Sacco was really to help doctors to organize their finances and to be able to deal with their social needs, social welfare, and basically financing. We felt that the previous Saccos we were in were scattering us and basically not focused on what would be interest the average doctor.
KMA Sacco is a Sacco for doctors. It was started with a purpose that doctors used to feel left out in the other Saccos. But now this is a Sacco that is run by doctors for doctors. So all the committee members, all the elected council board members are doctors. And so the common bond here is being a doctor.
The Sacco was initially housed at the KMA Housing Co-operative offices until November 2004, when it employed its first staff and relocated its own offices within the old KMA building along Chulu Road at Upper Hill area of Nairobi. Over the years, the Sacco has grown tremendously to a membership of over 2,000 and an asset base of 700 million Kenya shillings.
Since the inception of KMA Sacco in 1999, with the original members, about 10 members who are the basic requirement for formation of a Sacco, we have grown to over 2,200 members currently. The largest growth probably reflected the last 2 or 3 years.
Going back when we started, I think things were very difficult because for quite a while we were very few members. So almost everybody was then an official, and you were never sure whether you're going to take a loan, because even among us in the 9 it was difficult to guarantee. Of course we didn't have enough capital. Now looking at where we are now with a membership that is now over 2,000, and in the kind of money we have now, it makes us very proud that we started this small thing and it has made a lot of difference to doctors.
KMA Sacco's doors are open for membership for all registered doctors, dentists, pharmacists, their spouses and children over 18 years and their employees. The registration process has been made easy and smooth, with prospective membership requirements being a complete application form, a copy of the national ID card or passport together with 2 passport photos. The registration fee is 500 shillings and the initial share capital being a minimum of 2,000 Kenya shillings.
We also offer our members savings products such as withdrawable savings and fixed deposits at attractive rates of interest. Kenya Medical Association Sacco has got various contribution modes for our members, which range from personal checks, direct bank deposits, standing orders, M-Pesa, and we also accept checkoffs from the various employers.
The members of KMA Sacco enjoy democratic rights, where they get the chance to choose who runs their affairs in the Sacco by enjoying rights to vote and participate in making decisions affecting the society. KMA Sacco has revolutionized the ease and power of what obtaining a loan used to be. Now, with the introduction of emergency loans, you can get financial assistance in less than a week. In the 13 years of its operation, the Kenya Medical Association Sacco has provided its members with a number of credit facilities where they enjoy low interest rates and friendly repayment periods. KMA members have been able to reap financial benefits through the different variety of loan products available. These include the development loan, which are granted for purchases of land, property, plant and equipment, building both residential and commercial houses, among others. It's basically for personal major development. The loan is equal to a maximum of 3 times of the member's deposits and is payable at an interest rate of 1% per month, reducing balance. The top-up loan. This loan enables a member with an ongoing development loan to borrow more money. However, for eligibility to this loan, the Sacco member must have paid 1/3 of the development loan. The refinance loan, which allows a member with an ongoing development loan to apply for a new development loan. the outstanding loan is deducted from the new loan and only the net is disbursed. The repayment period for this loan is rescheduled to a maximum of 60 months. The Swift Development Loan. This is a loan where funds are acquired faster than the regular development loan. Disbursement of the funds occurs within 7 to 14 days and the maximum repayment period is 60 months. The Asset Financing Loan. These loans are granted for purchases of motor vehicles, expensive medical equipment and other major assets. Here, the SACCO finances 2/3 of the value as the member raises the difference. The Emergency Loan. These are loans given for medical, court fines, death and other unforeseen happenings beyond the member's control. These loans have a shorter processing period and guarantors are not required when applying for them. The Insurance Loan. These are loans given for insurance premiums, that is, professional indemnity, medical cover, among other premiums. And finally, the Holiday Loan. In this loan, the member is required to save specifically for this facility for at least 3 months. The loan given is twice the savings with a repayment period of up to 12 months. Other benefits to its members is the medical scheme, which in collaboration with UAP Insurance has an inpatient medical scheme with discounted rates that members have an opportunity to enjoy.
This SACCO has actually extended things to the level where they now even have a medical insurance scheme negotiated with the UAP, so members can come in at subsidized rates. The SACCO has actually registered a retirement benefit company, and this basically is aimed at taking care of doctors even after they've retired.
Kenya Medical Association Sacco has got a fully fledged insurance agency going by the name TIBA Insurance Agency, which is able to offer insurance products to our members, ranging from life assurance, medical insurance, and general and property insurance to our Sacco members.
The expertise of KMA Sacco has grown along with technology, moving from simple to more sophisticated ones. The alignment of infrastructure, communication, and information communication technology strategies is meant to demonstrate the gains that stand to provide effective service delivery to its members.
We are now rolling out a new software system that is very, very good, is state of the art, that will allow us to improve on our products. It will also allow us to go to front office, and it will allow things like m-banking and members being able to access the deposit information on the mobile phones so that we keep up with the times.
We've invested in state-of-the-art technology, and we are able to offer our members a one-stop shop for financial products.
The Kenya Medical Association Sacco's mission is to bring together doctors, medical students, dentists, pharmacists and employees and build a financial service firm that provides savings opportunities, credit facilities, investments and innovative financial services. For this reason, KMA Sacco has expanded its regional cover to reach doctors all over the country where they are able to access the Sacco services, thus enabling them to live up to the hiking financial challenges.
There was a time when it was a bit tricky for members to get guarantors when they're applying for loans because we are not spread wide enough. So then we had to really go out and market ourselves and educate people all over the country. No, KMA actually has 16 divisions spread all over from Garissa to Kakamega to Kisii.
With a vision to being the leading Sacco for doctors in the provision of innovative financial services, KMA Sacco has developed an education committee that offers financial advice to its members.
The education committee is mandated to market the Sacco products to the members, the general membership, and this includes recruitment of new members and making sure that we retain the old members by providing them with the appropriate products that they need. So we go out there, we talk to medical students, especially final year medical students, to encourage them to join the KMA Sacco. Then we also go to other divisions countrywide be it Kisumu, Mombasa, Nakuru, Kericho, talking to our members, reminding them about the products that we have, which are some of them are very innovative.
KMA Sacco has also developed and acquired properties which its members have a liberty of owning through the Sacco. For sustainable growth and a promising future, KMA Sacco has managed to help doctors acquire financial aid which they have used to acquire and develop properties and projects across the country.
If I compare what I've done with the bank, the loans I've taken with the bank and KMA has given me a better deal in any way. And initially, I use it for small projects. Like we have this farm here, which we've been growing wheat for more than 10 years. And it has helped us pay for the land itself, as well as grow the wheat and the maize we've been growing for so long. We got a dealership with one petrol station in Naivasha. So we are running a petrol station in Naivasha called Oil Libya. And my husband was running it, my late husband, but now my son has taken over. We've also started a salon, which we opened last week, which my daughter will be able to run. I have 3 children, so my daughter will run the salon, my elder son will run the petrol station.
KMA has helped me buy residential houses, which I'm renting out. And currently the house I'm staying in is also under KMA helped me get it.
I want to say that perhaps the sky is the limit, the way we are going. If we remain focused like we have been, and with good management structures, I think we can go beyond. We can challenge many other big organizations, because our turnover has increased exponentially, so to speak.
We have very ambitious plans for the Sacco. We feel once people understand the power of coming together, the pooling of resources, which is what the Sacco is all about, we'll be able to stretch beyond just savings and credit.
Going by the past, and from joining when it was really moribund, something like that, I have seen potential for this Sacco, that it will be the best Sacco probably in this particular country, in terms of growth, in terms of development, and I think individual development and collective development for the doctors.
The future plans of the Sacco are to enable our members to access their accounts through the web and personal phones by way of mobile banking and e-commerce.
With the vision of becoming the most effective financial society for doctors, the Kenya Medical Association Sacco has begun a journey where the sky is part of a highway to great heights.